Hi everyone, it's Kirstie and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I've filmed a video and I've really missed you all. Life has been a little crazy lately, as happens with everybody. Life has gotten in the way of my passion of filming videos for YouTube, for my YouTube channel. So things are starting to settle down, but maybe I'll do like a life update video in a couple of weeks and let you all know what's been going on. But today I am here to film my input for the home decor tag originated by Living at Country. I was tagged to do this by Lindsay over at Doma Home, and I will link her video in the cards above as well as her channel in the description box below. Highly recommend you go and check her out because I just absolutely love her channel and she is so creative and does so many amazing things on a budget that I could never even think of. So without further ado, let me get into the questions. So the first question is, do you own or rent your home? I suppose I would have to say that I rent this house. It's technically a military home. My husband is in the army, in the Australian Army, and we are posted here in, I suppose, a diplomatic capacity. So we are provided this house by the US military on the base that we live on. The next question is, what state do you live in? We live in New Jersey. Northern New Jersey in Morris County. So the next question is, what is the exterior style of your home? And I would have to say that our home is a colonial revival style house. It was built in the late 1920s, early 1930s, and it features all of the trademark aspects of a colonial revival style home. It has really large entryways, 6/6 double hung windows, a very symmetrical facade, as well as beautiful sunrooms. Is your home a fun fixer-upper or a new home? Our house is definitely not new, like I just said, so I'd probably have to go with fixer-upper, although it is pretty well maintained, I will say. So there isn't a whole lot that I suppose would be fixer-upper about it, except for, if I owned it, I have a whole list of things that I would do to this house, like redoing the kitchen and repainting the whole thing. But this house, I will say, is pretty well maintained. So I suppose I'm kind of somewhere in the middle. What style do you decorate your home in? So I would say that I mainly decorate, so the main furniture pieces are definitely traditional. However, I love to decorate with a farmhouse style, so I definitely say that's mixed in there, as well as a few mid-century pieces. I love to mix styles of decor, and I think it's a really fun, but it's also a real fun challenge of home decorating, is mixing different styles together and making a style for your home that is unique to you. Who are your biggest styling inspirations? So I know people have said this before, but I do gain inspiration from everywhere. In the age of social media, I'm constantly scrolling through Instagram and Pinterest, and I get inspiration from so many places. But as I am studying professionally in interior design, I will say there are a few professional interior designers and decorators that I absolutely love and admire. And those are, you know I'm gonna say this right, Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper. I absolutely love that TV show and I love her style. She's very inspirational. I also love Shay McGee from McGee & Co. They have such a beautiful, modern, traditional style that I just absolutely adore. And finally, Emily Henderson. She is an interior decorator and she is really fun and quirky, and I own a few of her books, and she is always really inspirational as far as mixing decor styles and how to go about that. The next question is, what is your favorite piece of decor that you own? This was such a hard question for me to think up. It's a little tricky because when we moved here, we weren't allowed to bring any of our furniture with us. So all of the furniture, the major large furniture pieces in our home are actually rented. So none of it is technically mine. So I suppose that kind of ruled out a lot of those larger pieces. But there was one furniture item that I insisted on bringing here with me from Australia. It's small and it could pack into a box, so they let me do it. But I have this small mid-century style Carrera marble topped table. It has 3 legs, very classic mid-century style. And I love this thing. I saved up my money for it and I love this table. It is so versatile. It fits in beautifully with the style that I have going in the home now, which is far more traditional than my home in Australia. And it is just so cute, and it sits between 2 really big black leather wingback armchairs that I have in the living room. And I love to put vases on it full of flowers or candles and lanterns, and I just love decorating this little table. It is so cute, and I'm really glad I brought it over here with me. And so I'm gonna say that that's probably my favorite piece, since I was so insistent on bringing it here with me all the way from Australia. What is your favorite place to buy home decor? Oh, this is a hard one, because one of the many things I love about living in America is that there is so much choice for home decor shopping. So much more than Australia. I know that's a weird reason to love a country, but I'm a home decor junkie, so you can't really blame me, right? But I have lots of favorites that I found since I've been here. Home Goods, Michael's, World Market, Hobby Lobby, Target, Pier 1. I don't get there as much as I would like because it's a little expensive. I kind of dropped a bit of money when we first moved there at Pier 1, but I've kind of found a lot of other options since then that are a little more cost effective, so I don't go there as much anymore, but I still love getting their catalogue in the mail and seeing all the beautiful stuff that they have. And then as far as online stores, I love Joss & Main, IKEA. IKEA is my ride or die for curtains for this house because we have so many windows. Like, I would say nearing 50 windows in this house, and it's a lot to put curtains on them all. So IKEA has been my absolute savior for that. And we also have very, very high ceilings, and all the IKEA curtains come in standard long lengths, so perfect. The next question is new decor versus thrifted decor. I am not a good thrifter. I so wish I was, and I am so inspired by people who can do it and make their homes look so curated and expensive. But I'm definitely not one of those people. I wish I was. So I would have to go with new decor. Goodwill decor versus garage sale decor. I'll be honest here, I'm not sure I've ever been to a garage sale. So I would have to go with Goodwill decor. I will say that we have this great similar kind of concept here. I don't know if they're all over the country, called Habitat for Humanity. And I absolutely love visiting there. There are some awesome finds, some really cool vintage stuff, and the prices are amazing. Plus, your money goes to a really good cause. So I do love Habitat for Humanity, and I'm gonna say that's in the same realm as Goodwill, so Goodwill. Decor Steals versus Antique Farmhouse. So those are online stores, I believe. I have shopped at Antique Farmhouse, but I haven't shopped at Decor Steals. So I'll definitely go with Antique Farmhouse. I have a beautiful like tomato crate tray that I have on my coffee table. It's like right here next to me, that I got from Antique Farmhouse. Their shipping costs kind of kill me, which puts me off there shopping there sometimes, but I do, every now and then I find a gem there that I really like. Home Goods decor versus Target decor. This is a tough one because I do shop at both, but Home Goods I love, but I can find it really hit and miss. Sometimes I go in there and I find absolutely nothing that I like, and then other times I go in there and I want to buy half the store. but Target is far more reliable for a good find. So maybe Target. Hobby Lobby decor versus Michael's decor. Oof, because these are two of my recent favorites, but I would probably have to go with Michael's. Ross decor versus TJ Maxx decor. I don't think I've been to a Ross yet, so I'm gonna go with TJ Maxx. Online shopping versus store shopping. I do both, but I am a well-renowned homebody, so I would have to go with online shopping for the majority of my purchases. Spring decor versus summer decor. Spring for sure, because I get so excited to get the florals and the bright colors out after winter, so definitely spring. Fall decor versus winter decor. Definitely winter, because I absolutely love decorating for Christmas. Getting the tree and doing all the lights and the garlands is just, I love it. But I am just about to decorate for fall and I'm really excited about that as well. HGTV show favorite. It's obvious, right? You know what I'm gonna say? Fixer Upper, hands down. But I also do love the Property Brothers. Those guys are really cool and really handsome. What YouTuber inspires you the most? This is such a hard question because, I mean, we all love so many people, right? And everybody inspires us. But if I had to pick a couple, I would say the lovely lady who tagged me to do this video, Lindsay from Doma Home, also Jamie from Border Bananas, and Pamela from Life with Munches. I also love the DIY Mummy, and Garden Answer is awesome for outdoor inspiration. And finally, who am I going to tag to do this video next? And I'm going to tag the very lovely Jamie from Border Bananas, and I cannot wait to hear her answers to this tag. So thank you for watching my home decor tag. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe learned something new about me. I had a lot of fun filming this, and thanks again to Lindsay from Doma Home for tagging me to do this. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget, if you enjoyed it, to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I have heard that maybe my videos haven't been popping up in subscription feeds lately. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.